talk about my role model. I admire Charlie Puth. First, he has wonderful musical talent. He is a singer-songwriter who appeared on Billboard in 2015 with a mega hit song called See You Again, and has both composing and producing skills. Also, he is a full scholarship student at the prestigious Berklee College of Music in Boston, USA. In a single word, he is a genius. He has a beautiful vocal, so he makes me feel comfortable. Also, Charlie learned to play the piano at age of 4, and he has wonderful piano skills. Second, he is handsome. At 2 years old, Charlie was attacked by a dog which almost killed and gave him his famous eyebrow slit. I mean, he's just so cute. Charlie's curly hair with short black and slides is a great combo of messy, natural texture with a little bit of polish. Third, he has wonderful songs. For example, See You Again is a mega hit song. I also like that. That's hilarious. That's not how this works, and no more drama. I don't think that I Like Her is very famous in Korea because of YouTube and TikTok challenges. Also, he has a lot of hit songs. I like it all. In conclusion, I admire Charlie Puth because he has wonderful music talent and he is handsome. Also, he has wonderful songs. Thank you for listening.